कुछ कार्य ऐसा
करेंगे, प्रधानमंत्री करेंगे कार्य,
हमें भरोसा है।
मोदी जी पे कि हमारे लिए करेंगे, महिलाओं के लिए भी और लड़कियों के लिए भी, और आगे भी किया है, आगे भी बहुत अच्छा किया है, आगे भी हमें उम्मीद है कि
औरतों के लिए बहुत सहयोग कर रहे हैं मोदी जी।
आगे भी हमें
जागरूक कर रहे हैं,
वो आगे भी हमें अच्छी प्रेरणा देंगे और आगे हमें मतलब आगे पकाने के लिए हमारी साथ करेंगे।
So Pooja, one very interesting thing which we did see was the fact that women, in fact, in large numbers. So we did see how women have turned up in large numbers, and the women here have shown their support not just for Prime Minister but even for Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Women have been saying that both the ministers have done a lot. And, Prime Minister obviously taking pot shots at the opposition parties, saying that this was a project which was being initiated during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's time, but it is only now that the fruits can be seen of the Jewar airport. Pooja.
Very interesting, the women's support that is gathered there in Jewar as the Bhumi Pujan site, and Prime Minister himself stating how the situation has changed since he took over. And that big event taking place today and concluded just a short while ago. Let's now listen and also to what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said just before Prime Minister's address. Has been peaking already over the Jewar Airport Bhumi Pujan event today. Yogi Adityanath decided to come and immediately launch a blistering attack on Akhilesh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party, saying believers in Jinnah caused communal riots. Remember, this Bhumi Pujan inauguration today has come amid a very heightened political activity ahead of elections in one of the most important states of the country, Uttar Pradesh. Listen into what Yogi Adityanath said.
ये बहुप्रतीक्षित क्षण पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है, और इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण है यहां के किसानों ने कभी किसी कालखंड में यहां की गन्ना की मिठास को आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया था, लेकिन भाइयों बहनों, गन्ने की मिठास को कुछ लोगों ने कड़वाहट में बदल करके यहां पर दंगों की एक जो श्रृंखला खड़ी की थी, आज ये देश के अंदर एक नया द्वंद्व बना है कि देश गन्ने की मिठास को एक नई उड़ान देगा या जिन्ना के अनुयायियों से फिर दंगा करवाने की शरारत करवाएगा। और यही तय करने के लिए आज आप सबका आह्वान करने के लिए मैं स्वयं आपके बीच यहां पर उपस्थित हुआ हूं। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के स्वागत का अवसर मुझे प्राप्त हो रहा है, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में उत्तर प्रदेश आज अब एक नई ऊंचाई की ओर बढ़ रहा है। चाहे वह देश के अंदर केंद्र सरकार के द्वारा लोक कल्याणकारी योजनाओं को प्रत्येक नागरिक तक बिना भेदभाव के पहुंचाने के अभियान हो, चाहे वह इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के माध्यम से उत्तर प्रदेश के विकास को एक नई ऊंचाई तक पहुंचाने का कार्यक्रम हो, या उत्तर प्रदेश की आस्था को एक नया पंख दे करके यहां की आस्था का सम्मान करने का कार्यक्रम हो, या फिर उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य के पूरे परसेप्शन को बदल करके उत्तर प्रदेश में भी विकास होगा, उत्तर प्रदेश भी विकास की राह पर आगे बढ़ेगा। इस विश्वास को आगे बढ़ाने की दिशा से आज हम सब यहां पर उपस्थित हुए हैं। मैं आज के इस अवसर पर आप सबको बधाई दूंगा उन 7,000 से अधिक किसानों का, जिन्होंने बिना किसी विवाद के जेवर एयरपोर्ट के लिए जमीन स्वयं मुख्यमंत्री आवास पर लखनऊ में आकर के उपलब्ध करवाया है। उन सभी किसान भाइयों का भी मैं अभिनंदन करते हुए आज के इस अवसर पर मैं पूर्वी पश्चिमी उत्तर प्रदेश के आप सभी भाइयों बहनों को हृदय से बधाई देता हूं।
नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट के भूमि पूजन की बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज इस एयरपोर्ट के भूमि पूजन के साथ ही दाऊजी मेले के लिए प्रसिद्ध जेवर भी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मानचित्र पर अंकित हो गया है। इसका बहुत बड़ा लाभ दिल्ली एनसीआर और पश्चिमी यूपी के करोड़ों करोड़ों लोगों को होगा। नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी की दृष्टि से भी एक बेहतरीन मॉडल बनेगा। यहां आने जाने के लिए टैक्सी से लेकर मेट्रो और रेल तक हर तरह की कनेक्टिविटी होगी। एयरपोर्ट से निकलते ही आप सीधे यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे पर आ सकते हैं। नोएडा, ग्रेटर नोएडा एक्सप्रेसवे तक जा सकते हैं। यूपी, दिल्ली, हरियाणा कहीं भी जाना है तो थोड़ी सी देर में पेरिफेरल एक्सप्रेसवे पहुंच सकते हैं। और अब तो दिल्ली मुंबई एक्सप्रेसवे भी तैयार होने वाला है। उससे भी अनेकों शहरों तक पहुंचना आसान हो जाएगा। नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट उत्तरी भारत का लॉजिस्टिक गेटवे बनेगा। ये इस पूरे क्षेत्र को नेशनल गतिशक्ति मास्टर प्लान का एक सशक्त प्रतिबिंब बनाएगा।
I want to again go back to Aishwarya Paliwal. She's on the ground. She's assessing the mood, not only about what the politicians are saying, but also, of course, people who have gathered there. Now, Aishwarya, it cannot be, of course, ignored that this is an election season in Uttar Pradesh as well. And while this is a mega event there, what are you picking up with regard to what the people are saying? You spoke to some of them just a short while ago, and most likely they are supporters of the party, of the government. But what are you picking up as the people, the public mood there? Because the opposition is totally gunning against the government there in UP.
Well, definitely we are seeing the opposition gunning for both the central government as well as the state government. The opposition party is clearly saying that what is being done keeping the UP elections in mind. See, you know, you'll be able to see the crowd. Most of the people are now, some of the people, interestingly, Pooja, also took away the cutouts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the entire area. There were huge cutouts. People are now getting their pictures clicked right next to the plane there. So, large people did turn up in large numbers. Also, most of them were very happy with the kind of progress which is being made. So, definitely, we are seeing the opposition parties taking pot shots at the government.
Aishwarya, yes, like you're telling us, there are people, of course, who are taking away the cutouts of Prime Minister Modi, getting themselves clicked. But all of this amid political attack by the opposition against Yogi Adityanath government and also government at the centre. Some more breaking news coming in about political reactions on this. Let's listen in. Right, big news now. This is from Samajwadi Party's Akhilesh Yadav, who is claiming now that the Bharatiya Janata Party government will sell the Jewar airport once it is completed. Remember, this is a very serious claim that he's making. He's saying that today was a Bhumi Pujan site, then construction finishes by 2024, and then they will sell off the airport to the highest bidder. What exactly has Akhilesh Yadav said? Let's listen in. That is what Remember Politics now going to likely very heat up on Jewar Airport, which the Bharatiya Janata Party and the government is pitching as the biggest infrastructure push, but Akhilesh Yadav, the first to now go ahead, claim otherwise, saying they'll sell it off, and then that is also what needs to be remembered with regard to this government. We'll wait and watch if the BJP comes up with a reaction on that. So Aishwarya, just as we were talking, while you're on the ground, there's no dearth of political allegations coming in with regard to the airport. Do you see the airport construction, the airport highlight, perhaps one of the biggest pitches now with regard to elections at this moment? Just take a look at those visuals before I go across to Aishwarya, because that basically signifies what Uttar Pradesh elections will be. On one side, you have, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Yogi Adityanath with all guns blazing, saying they are ready with the infrastructure push and that they are going ahead and giving this a turnover in UP as Uttar Pradesh. On the other, Akhilesh Yadav says Bharatiya Janata Party will sell Jewar Airport once it is ready. They do not care about the people. It's all about money for the Bharatiya Janata Party. So one of the first big reactions coming in after this mega event at Jewar is Akhilesh Yadav saying BJP building the airport only to sell it later. So today, remember, this Bhumi Pujan event was the mega grand event and had all the bigwigs from the government at the centre, also in Uttar Pradesh, and the Bharatiya Janata Party netas. How will this play out for Uttar Pradesh? Only perhaps in the next few months we'll know. But remember, these upcoming assembly elections in different states are no ordinary elections. And India today already is on the ground, travelling to the land of Jawans and Kisans to assess the mood on the ground. Our special show, Election Roadie, up next with Ashutosh Mishra. And this comes in from another election-bound state of Punjab. Take a look, enjoy. Thank you.
No matter which road you take, there is an election just around the corner. Join me on the dusty path to India's next states of war, from UP to Punjab to Uttarakhand. Hitting the road to dig the most eye-catching issues. I'm Ashutosh Mishra, and I will be your election roadie.